Hello, Joe Follico again for Insignia Futures and Options. This is part 2 of our InsigniaTrader platform tutorial series. In this video, I will be discussing how to place trades in the platform. Let's get started. The most common place you're going to be placing trades will be within the trading matrix. So we have a few ways to do that. The most common way is just clicking on either the buy or sell buttons that you see here. So let's say, for example, you want to trade the micro E-mini S&P and you want to go long. So you would just click the buy button. It's going to open up an order entry window. This is going to be preset to a simple order entry, just a common buy order with either market, limit, or stop order. There's advanced orders in here which we'll cover in a later video, but for now we're going to keep this simple. So it will be pre-populated as you click the buy button. It will already be set to buy. Typically it will be set to one contract. You could change that either by using these plus and minus buttons, or you can go in, click within the field, and then there's a drop down menu, or you can just hit your backspace and type in a quantity. So let's say you want to do 6 or whatever number it may be, you could type that in on your keyboard. So once you have that, you'll just review. You'll see the symbol you're trading. It's going to be preset to a limit order, and it typically will bring up the if you're buying the last ask price. But again, that could be changed again either using the plus or minus buttons, which will move in 1 tick increments based on the contract's tick value, or again you can highlight it and you're going to have your pop-up menu again. You could set it to the last price, the ask, or the bid, or you can manually type in a price. Once you see or have that completed, then the final one will be the duration, which is typically always set to day order. So meaning if it does not get filled in the current day's session, it will expire. But you can set it to good till canceled, which means it will keep working every day until you manually cancel it or the contract expires. This is good till cancels are typically used for stop protective orders when you're already in a trade, but you certainly can use them anytime you'd like. For this example, we're going to leave this set at a day order. And again, let's say you want to do a market order. You can just again click in the order type field and it will bring up different order types. So again, change this to market. When you use a market order, the pricing section will go away because you're simply just telling the market you're willing to get the current price. After that's all set, click the submit button and the order will be sent. You'll get a notification up here in the top right corner, and then clear those out by clicking the little X's. And then this is the account detail window where you're going to see your open positions. You're going to see it in the fills window, and you'll also see it in the order book, which if you change this to completed, you'll see it there, or also if you change it to all statuses. The default setting for the order book is working, so this will only show you working orders that have not been filled. So again, if you want to see everything, change it to show all statuses, but we'll cover order book in a later video. Okay, so now we have the order here. It's going along, and you could see profit or loss of the position. There's other ways to also place orders. If you can trade from the DOM, or what we call the advanced trader, again, you can. There's buttons here to buy at the market, sell. You can exit. You can reverse if you feel the market's changing direction. You want to get out of the current long and go short. So different techniques to use there. You could trade from the charts. If you want to trade from the charts, there's a button here, an icon that you would click on. That's going to bring up the buy, or I should say order buttons for chart trading. Essentially the same though as what you're seeing in the advanced trader and in the trading matrix. But again, you'll have a sell market, buy market, and you can set strategies here. And again, this also has the exit positions, and this will also cancel any working orders. This will just cancel all working orders. So a few different ways to do this. This again within the charts can be hidden or revealed by clicking this icon here. And then from within the the account detail window, you can also choose order entry by clicking in the action column. And when you do that, it will bring open the order entry window again. This will be used also to liquidate or add positions. If you're liquidating, just make sure you do the opposite. So we bought this. If we want to liquidate it, we need to sell it to liquidate it. And let's just sell this at the market. So we'll change that to market. Everything looks good. Click submit. You get your confirmations up here in the top right corner, and again you can X out of each of those, and now you see the position is gone. You'll see the completed orders down here in the order book, and you'll also see the fill up here in the fills window and the result of the trade. So that's the basics of placing orders. Again, we try to keep it very straightforward by labeling everything buy, sell. These are again used for quick market orders, and again you could go flat, exit, reverse, and cancel all. This concludes this video tutorial. The next video will cover how to place orders more in depth, so I hope you'll join us.